It's time to shake and share, and one of the things I really love about my shakes is that you can really make many different variations. So it's really up to you. The ultimate way you can blend up is your imagination. So for example, with the dairy-free, berries are fantastic with that, and bananas. I really love iced coffee and banana. It's one of my faves. I think the creamy vanilla goes with everything but, excuse me, a bit of frozen mango and it's like a wheeze bar. And the chocolate. I mean, once again, berries, banana, peanut butter, it's just fantastic. Really, it's up to your imagination how far you go. So happy shaking, and get some tips and recipes from my website. It's breakfastshakes.com.au.